Roishang is a high-tech enterprise focusing on the design, research, and development, production high-precision silicone products. We has obtained ISO 13485 medical device quality management system certification. We're equipped with 100,000 purification workshops and 300,000 air conditioning workshops that meet the requirements of GMP biopharmaceutical. In the production, we strictly follow the medical device quality management system from raw material mixing, forming to shipping, so that each process can be traced. Roishang has 11 silicone extrusion production lines, 2 molding production lines, the annual output of more than 500 tons. The laboratory is equipped with a variety of testing instruments for silicone products, which can test the concentricity, tensile strength, tensile deformation, pull-out force, hardness, tear, wear resistance, aging, anti-sticking, service times. Our company adopts platinum vulcanization vertical extrusion molding process, can produce the minimum inner diameter of 0.18 millimeter, the thinnest wall thickness of 0.1 millimeter, high accuracy, and stable cooperation customers all over the world, more than 50 countries. We have a sound training system and production process. We continue to innovate management so that employees and Roishang grow together. Roishang staff always adhere to the quality first, customer first business philosophy with the spirit of craftsmen, superb technology for medical equipment, biopharmaceutical, research institute laboratories, aerospace, food, electronics, automotive, chemical of customers to provide one-stop silicone product solutions. Thank you for watching. Welcome to visit us.